Environment and Geography Current Affairs for the month of November 2025. The Archaeological Survey of India held a 2-day workshop in New Delhi on the Project Mausam. Okay. Project Mausam क्या है? It represents the convergence of heritage, science and community. एम क्या है? टू रिवाइव मैरीटाइम कल्चरल लिंकेज, प्रोटेक्ट endangered coastal traditions, develop collaborate conservation strategies and ensure active preservation of maritime heritage for future generations. Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change Shri Bhupendra Yadav addressed the high-level ministerial segment on the International Big Cat Alliance at UNFCCC COP30 in Belém, Brazil on 17 November 2025. He has announced that India will host the Global Big Cat Summit in New Delhi 2026. This is very important. याद रखना है कि जो नेक्स्ट जो ग्लोबल बिग कैट समिट होगा वो न्यू दिल्ली में होगा 2026 में. He emphasized that protecting big cat habitats enhances carbon absorption, watershed protections, disaster resilience, climate adaptation, and promotes sustainable livelihoods. India's success in doubling its tiger population ahead of schedule and continued increase in the Asiatic lion population. India's success in doubling its tiger population ahead of schedule and continued increase in Asian lion population. He thanked Brazil for hosting the event and noted the timeliness of the theme. थीम क्या था? प्रोटेक्टिंग बिग कैट्स, प्रोटेक्टिंग क्लाइमेट एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी. अभी जो हुआ था बिग कैट अलायंस COP30 में, UNFCCC COP30 में बेलम ब्राज़ील में, उसका थीम क्या था? प्रोटेक्टिंग बिग कैट्स, प्रोटेक्टिंग क्लाइमेट एंड बायोडाइवर्सिटी. ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट फॉरएवर फैसिलिटी TFF. इंडिया ज्वाइन द ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट फॉरएवर फैसिलिटी एज एन ऑब्जर्वर. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जानना कि ऑब्जर्वर कैसे ज्वाइन किया है. एज एन ऑब्जर्वर, सपोर्टिंग इट्स इनोवेटिव मार्केट बेस्ड मॉडल टू कंजर्व ट्रॉपिक्स फॉरेस्ट ग्लोबली. ये ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट फॉरएवर फैसिलिटी क्या है? द ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट फॉरएवर फैसिलिटी इज ए blended finance mechanism designed to reward countries for preventing deforestation through result-based payments funded by investment returns rather than traditional aid. ठीक है. It offers a new budget neutral model of nature financing that rewards countries yearly with $4 per hectare of forest protected. प्रपोज्ड इन COP28 दुबई. ये प्रपोज किया गया था COP28 जो दुबई में हुआ था, और लॉन्च किया गया COP30 इन ब्राज़ील में जो हुआ. ठीक है. ये ब्लेंडेड फाइनेंस क्या होता है? ये कंबाइंड करता है पब्लिक फिलैंथ्रोपिक एंड प्राइवेट कैपिटल टू फंड सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स को. ठीक है. तो ये जो ब्लेंडेड फाइनेंस होता है मतलब पब्लिक और प्राइवेट दोनों मिलके सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स को फाइनेंस करता है. उसी को कहते हैं ब्लेंडेड फाइनेंस मैकेनिज्म. डिजाइन टू रिवार्ड कंट्रीज फॉर प्रिवेंटिंग डिफॉरेस्टेशन, ताकि डिफॉरेस्टेशन जो है कंट्री में आपको प्रिवेंट हो सके थ्रू रिजल्ट्स बेस्ड पेमेंट्स फंडेड बाय इन्वेस्टमेंट रिटर्न्स रेदर देन ट्रेडिशनल. मतलब ऐड के द्वारा ना हो कि हाँ कोई ऐड करेगा हेल्प करेगा तब हो, उससे पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट रिटर्न्स के थ्रू हो. ठीक है. क्लाइमेट इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड्स एट द COP30 of UNFCCC, Germany and Spain. Spain pledged $100 million to support a new climate adaptation program under the World Bank's Climate Investment Funds. About climate investment funds. Climate investment funds is a multilateral climate finance mechanism with over $12 billion pledged by contributor countries, which has successfully mobilized over $64 billion in additional co-financing. पर्पस क्या है इसका? टू प्रोवाइड कंसेशनल फाइनेंस टू डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज टू सपोर्ट क्लाइमेट एक्शन सच एज क्लीन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड क्लाइमेट रेसिलियंस. Climate initiative funded by CIF. CIF finances adaptation, mitigation and resilience building projects across sectors like renewable energy, sustainable agriculture and climate smart infrastructure. It works with multilateral development banks to attract private investment and transform climate risks into economic opportunities. World's deepest underwater laboratory in the Indian Ocean. India has unveiled a ambitious plan to build the world's deepest underwater laboratory in the Indian Ocean. ठीक है, it will be designed to operate at a depth of 6,000 meters. The proposed habitat aims to enable long duration stage, advanced experimentation and direct monitoring of one of the least explored regions of the planet. एम क्या है? enable long duration stage, advanced experimentation, direct monitoring of one of the least explored region of the planet. फैसिलिटी किसको सपोर्ट करेगा? एक्सटेंडेड डे स्टेज, एडवांस्ड एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, मरीन लाइफ स्टडीज एमिंग टू एडवांस डीप ओशन साइंस एज पार्ट ऑफ इंडियाज विजन 2047. अंडर वाटर लेबोरेटरीज इन द वर्ल्ड. वर्ल्ड में कहाँ पे अंडर वाटर लेबोरेटरीज है? द एक्वेरियस रीफ बेस इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स मेंटेन बाय फ्लोरिडा इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी इज करेंटली द ये जो एक्वेरियस रीफ बेस इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स है, मेंटेन किसके द्वारा किया जाता है? फ्लोरिडा इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी के द्वारा. करेंटली द ओनली फंक्शनिंग अंडर वाटर लेबोरेटरी. However, it lies just 19 meters below the surface. China is also developing deep water station in the South China Sea, expected to be operational around 2030. Mukhi, a 33-month-old Indian-born female cheetah has given birth to 5 cubs, raising India's cheetah population to 32. अब कितना हो जाएगा? चीता का पॉपुलेशन इंडिया में 32 हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट सक्सेस ऑफ चीताज रीइंट्रोडक्शन प्रोग्राम लॉन्च्ड इन सितंबर 2022 व्हेन 8 चीताज फ्रॉम नमीबिया वेयर रिलीज्ड बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी. Rhinella marina, commonly known as the cane toad, has become a devastating invasive species globally. Rhinella marina, commonly known as cane toad, has become a devastating invasive species globally. Native to parts of, कहाँ की native है? Central and South America. The large toad was introduced to countries such as Australia, the Caribbean and various Pacific islands to control agricultural pests, particularly beetles that threatened sugarcane crops. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Bhupendra Yadav said that 8 cheetahs will be coming to India from Botswana under the Project Cheetah. Cheetah will be kept in Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh in quarantine. Madhya Pradesh government has announced that Nuradehi Sanctuary will soon become the third habitat for cheetah in the state following Kuno National Park and गांधी सागर सेंचुरी. तो ये भी याद रखना साथ साथ कि कौन कौन से ये जो नूरादेही सेंचुरी है, ठीक है, और कुनो नेशनल पार्क है, गांधी सागर सेंचुरी है, सारे मध्य प्रदेश में है. ये स्टैटिक क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा सकता है. स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑफ द नेशनल बोर्ड फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ चेयर्ड बाय यूनियन एनवायरनमेंट मिनिस्टर भूपेंद्र यादव हैज रिकमेंडेड reinstating the rhesus macaque under Schedule 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Rhesus macaque multana is one of the India's most widespread primate species, known for its adaptability to both forest and urban ecosystems. International Union for Conservation of Nature has rated Kanchenjunga National Park as good in its latest global review of natural World Heritage Sites, making the only Indian park to receive this positive rating. It is also known as Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, lies in Sikkim and was declared India's first mixed UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2016. Oman has been elected as a member of International Coordinating Council of the Marine and Biosphere Program, affiliated with UNESCO for the period from 2025 to 29. Launched in 1971 by UNESCO, the Marine and Biosphere Reserve Program encourages interdisciplinary research, demonstration, and training in natural resource management. Sunapur and Puri beaches in Odisha have once again received the International Blue Flag certification for 2025-26. The certification is awarded by the Denmark-based Foundation for Environmental Education for meeting high global standards of cleanliness, environmental sustainability, safety and eco-friendly infrastructure. तो ये किसको मिला है? सोनापुर एंड पुरी बीचेज इन ओडिशा को. और किसके द्वारा दिया जाता है? डेनमार्क बेस्ड फाउंडेशन फॉर इन्वायरमेंटल एजुकेशन. किस चीज़ के लिए? फॉर मीटिंग हाई global standards of cleanliness, environmental sustainability, safety and eco-friendly infrastructure. At the 6th meeting of Conference of Parties to the Minamata Convention on Mercury COP26 in Geneva, countries agreed to phase out mercury-based dental amalgam globally by 2034. Minamata Convention aims to protect human health and environment from mercury's adverse effects, which was adopted in 2013 and came into force in 2017. India signed the convention on September 30, 2014, subsequently ratified it on June 18, 2018. ठीक है. Iceland has officially recognized the potential collapse of Atlantic meridional overturning circulation as an existential threat to its national security. तो आइसलैंड ने क्या किया है? ऑफिशियली रिकॉग्नाइज किया है पोटेंशियल कोलैप्स ऑफ द अटलांटिक मेरीडोनियल ओवरटर्निंग circulation as an existential threat to its national security. It is a vast system of ocean currents driven by variations in salt content, temperature and water density across the oceans. It is often called the ocean's conveyor belt because it continuously moves warm and cold water masses throughout the Atlantic Ocean between the tropics and the polar regions of the Atlantic. Volcanic ash from Ethiopia's Haile Gubbi eruption has drifted toward multiple countries. Volcanic ash from Ethiopia's Haile Gubbi eruption has drifted toward multiple countries. It is a sealed volcano in Afar, Ethiopia, and member of the Erta Ali Range. The Erta Ali Range is a volcanic chain in Ethiopia's Afar regions, part of East Africa's rift system, where tectonic plates are pulling apart. Volcanic ash क्या है? Volcanic ash from Ethiopia's Haile Gubbi eruption has drifted toward multiple countries. It is a sealed volcano in Afar, Ethiopia, and member of the Erta Ali Range. The Erta Ali Range is a volcanic chain in Ethiopia's Afar region, part of the East African rift system, where tectonic plates are pulling apart. Thanks for watching.